The garlic mushrooms by the Backyard Grill. These are actually a starter, or they are absolutely fantastic on steak, pork. You know, there's various things that they can be served with. So let's show you what we're going to do. We've got buttercup mushrooms here, and you're going to want 4 or 5 per serving. Cut them into quarts, and it's brilliant. So heat the pan, don't be too vigorous with it, and a good knob of butter. Don't burn the butter on a low heat, and this is the wine, because obviously it's a wine-based dish. Let me just try it. So in we go with the mushrooms, and what we're going to do now is we're going to turn up the heat. What we want to do is we actually want to just brown these off for about 2 or 3 minutes, and then we're going to look at adding the garlic. Now you can use fresh garlic, but I've cheated today because it's Sunday and I'm trying to drink a little bit of booze as well. So in you go and fry it all together for again another 2 or 3 minutes. Superb. We're going to look at going in with the white wine, again to your liking, but 4 or 5 tablespoons, and allow this to cook out for approximately 4 or 5 minutes. 2 or 3 tablespoons of double cream, and again, the more cream you like, add it yourself, but don't go too hot because you don't want the cream to curdle. That's superb. A bit of parsley and a bit of pepper on there, again to your liking. Stir and simmer for a couple more minutes, and then let's serve the dish up. It's absolutely stunning. What you want with this is a good lump of fresh cut bread, Yorkshire style. Bit of butter on there. The final taste test, we've got Drewby. She's very critical of what she's going to eat. She's 3 parts vegetarian as well, so we won't tell there's cream in there. How are we doing, Drewby? Any good, Drew? What do you reckon to them? Are you sure? Wow, and we'll take that as a winner. Ladies and gentlemen, the Backyard Grill presents you the restaurant style garlic mushrooms.